Hadian ka jingja pen bethai bom hakandai lat hakasi ubale balala ki pulut kila tre shitom patang hapo ka shisngi kila yo kem yo we ukna ubadang khat news nam kerta ubala suba don kti hakani ka kampen bethai bom halor jongkani nakaliang menteri ka social welfare uba Kyrmen Shylla habakran shakilar pathai khubor ulapan paw ya ka jing snaudiaw ban yo I ya ka jing don kti jongni ukna uba khat news nam kerta kabala pen su jer ya ka nongba Shu ula ong ba kani ka seng ka bakam ya ka jingdon kti jong uha kani ka kam krade ban perkhat ya ka lawai jong u ula kentui ki khon samla ba kimdei ban ngop hakini ki kambean bar ula kularu ban ti bat wad nia ka telong ba kumnu kini ki khon samla ki poi ban rong sha kini ki kambean bat ru ban yarap ki bakinwan phai shakrenti ka bade.
It's so sad to hear that if the underage will go and join any kind of terrorist group. Actually, not only the underage, even any age is not advisable, and we will not want them to go and join any kind of terrorist group, and which will at the end will bring only disturbance to the livelihood of the people of our state, and only trouble will bring. So my request is that that is not a solution that our youth should seek, where they will find peace or a solution for their requirement. But at the end, the solution is that they should come and do something good for the society, not by disturbing the society. So, and it's so sad to hear that this, I don't know from which group are they, but whichever group they are, who appoint this, the underage youth, especially our children. So it's very sad to say that these people are not thinking about the future of those children. Because when they appoint them, they spoil their life, their career, everything. Because what we feel that these people, they might have not known what is good, what is bad. So that's why when somebody called them to join in their group, so they join, and then it turns to be they destroy the livelihood of our people, and they disturb the peace in our city. So I feel that these people should have not called this underage, because when they take them, when they appoint them, it really is sad to see these people have spared nobody. They even now start appointing this the underage. So if my request is that to all the youth, that don't seek a solution where you might think that this is the easy way, but at the end, law is there for everyone. So I believe that the law will take care for everyone, whether it's underage. As per the law, it has to be punished. So if they bring any kind of disturbance to our society, so the law is there, which is meant for everyone. So, but at the end, I would like to request that this is not the solution for you to join any kind of militancy group. So the best is that you try to stand on your own feet, and then do the best you can, work, and then try to live, and then feed your families with with dignity, not by showing, means after doing all this kind, how you'll show your face to the public, which is a shame to all of us. It's very sad to hear that in our state now this kind of things has start happening. So yeah, that though is our duty when it comes to our Department of Social Welfare. It's our duty to find out that, and then we try to make sure also that our youth are not left behind, especially our children, those who are underage. We really want to take good care of them. That's why we used to have this kind of awareness that this is right, this is wrong. So at the end, what makes them join, or what makes them take steps which will bring shame to our society, I really don't know. But we need to know exactly. I believe that when it comes to this, what had happened in Police Bazaar with those children. So I believe that with the investigation of the police, so they will reveal the truth, what have been going through in their life, and then maybe through that we will have a link, and then if it is possible from our side, the department, we will check what step needs to be done, so that in future our children will not be a trap of that same situation. We are waiting after we have after the interaction with those children, what exactly is going in their life, then maybe we will have some kind of solution, and then we will find a solution. But unless we need to know what exactly is going on, that they have to take such a big step. Otherwise, it's very difficult because we don't know their mindset, what went wrong in their life. So I believe that there must be something which they feel that by doing that, that is a revenge for them. So maybe they have gone through it somewhere else, that in their life they have when such a horrible, maybe a very terrible things happen to them, so that they have to take. Otherwise, doing such kind of thing is not easy for anybody. For us to think about it also is very difficult.